Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Yes, Peggy, me dey foreign ya now. Since me dey on vacation for 3 months, me I go look at work in the meantime. But Peggy, me not even get the work yet and you start big things already. Anyway, later, I'm going into a department store for your interview.
Do you have any sales experience?
Bossy, I was a salesman back home on the streets of Kingston.
Okay, you start tomorrow. I'll come down at closing time to see how you did. How many sales did you make today?
Just one sale, bossy.
Just one? No. Our salespeople average 20 to 30 sales per day here. If you want to keep this job, you must do better than just one sale. By the way, how much was the sale for?
$575,000.95.
What? Over $500,000? What the hell did you sell?
Bossy, first, me sell him one little fish hook. Then, me sell him a medium-sized fish hook. Then, me sell him one fishing rod and some fishing things. Then, me ask him where I go fishing and him said down the coast. So, me tell him say I go want one boat. So, we go down at the boating department and me sell him one of the twin-engine turbo craft. Then him say him not thinking Mitsubishi Lancer can pull it. So me take him down our automotive department and sell him one of the all-wheel drive GM truck. Then me ask him where I go sleep, and since him never have nowhere, me take him down to the camping department. Me then sell him one of the new RV trailer camper. Then the man say while we're at it, might as well throw in some groceries and few cases of beer.
You're not serious. A guy came in here to buy a fish hook and you sold him a boat, a truck, and an RV camper?
No sir, him come to buy a box of tampons for him wife. And I tell him say, since your weekend mash up, you might as well just go do some fishing.